Oh, dude, the 67. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode going over some new finds we are adding to the collection. We got a Mustang from M2, and of course it is that time yet again. We have a mail call. This box right here is from Gary. He actually sent some cars and he is selling some Mustangs I do want to get in the collection. Just got to wait for some hobby funds because of the whole YouTube setback. I'm still waiting for the payout. Once I do, I'm going to buy some more stuff. So if you guys enjoyed this episode, be sure to check out the prior episode going over some of these vintage Matchbox that we added to the collection. But let's go ahead and dive into this and the new M2 we got. Check this out. This is the new one. 1966 Mustang Gasser with the Coca-Cola deco. Super cool. You have a nice yellow with the red, of course, Coca-Cola theme. You got some red lenses on there, and there is a 750 piece chase, but since this one's the regular one, there's 9250 of the main line. So beautiful one to add to the collection. Of course, we do have all of our Coke Mustangs down here, and then a lot of 66 Gasser. So this one is just another beauty we are adding to the collection. All right, guys, hold on. I just got back. This is like a future splice into this episode, but we just got back from a trade, and check it out, guys. We got the 750 piece straight from M2, the 1966 Gasser. So now we have the regular as well as the chase piece. I did trade my Super Treasure Hunt DeLorean for it. Now, my buddy has been wanting that one for a while. We talked about it a couple trades ago, and he was like, man, I really want to get my hands on it. And so when he had that one, I was like, oh, I know which car to trade him. So he was stoked and I was stoked. So like I said, guys, I love supers and finding them and all that stuff. It's really cool bonuses, but at the end of the day, I will trade a non-Mustang super for a Mustang I really want to get. And yes, this one was definitely meant to be in the collection, but let's get back into it. But this box right here, let's go ahead and open it up and see what Gary sent, because there's only one way to find out, and it's to open it up and see. All right, guys, first off, I want to say a huge thanks to Gary for sending whatever is in here. We got a letter, so let's go ahead and open this up. All right. Hi, Jason. Hope you like this small sampling of my custom work. Best of luck with your Air Force career. Thank you for your service to our great nation. Keep in touch, Gary. Thank you so much. And of course, definitely going to love what you sent. Oh man, look at that. Nicely packaged. Oh, I love these clamshells. Very cool for loose castings as well. We do have a couple of them up here. I usually put like the ones that are in good condition or harder to find ones in the clamshells. That way I can have them displayed. Ooh, here we go. 65 convertible. Nice. Got the gold metallic, gold premium wheels, and the interior accents. Check that out. Oh, almost dropped it there. Oh, nice. Nice details on this one. Dude, that is nice, man. Heck yeah. Look at that. That is beautiful. Is that an original gold? It looks like the gold that came out of, where is it? This one. I guess it is. Yeah, it just looks like it has a lot more flake on this one. Maybe because there's so much gold. But dude, I'm digging that. That is a beautiful custom, man. All right, number 2. I am super excited about this. I mean, starting out with the first one, that is gorgeous. All right, I'm trying to be very careful with this. Oh, the GTD. Heck yeah. Oh, that is sweet, man. Love it. Even though it's a simple wheel swap. Nice. Nice. I was really planning on doing one too, but this one actually looks really good. You got the gold and chrome wheels on that. Ooh, there we go. Oh, I gotta take some photos. Simple wheels can change a car. Really can. All right, let's see. Next one. Another thing is, I want to thank you for sending them in these cases, man. Definitely appreciate it. Ooh, here we go. Shelby, man. Oh, and those wheels. Oh, those look good. Wow, he did those taillights very nice. Dude, that is sweet. Look at the details. I gotta dust this off because it's got some of the residue or the lint from the tissue. Oh man, those wheels are nice. Oh man, this looks better than the Super. We have the Super sitting right here with the torque thrusts. But man, you can never go wrong with some white lettering on some wheels. Dude, that is sick. Oh man. See, a custom or a wheel swap from anybody is better than any Super you can find because of how unique it is. Like, who's going to have another two-tone unless you make it off of this one? But that is cool, man. I love the unique stuff like that. All right, here we go. Next one. Man, he's really setting those expectations way up there. Oh, dude, the 67. Oh my gosh, that is nice. Wow, how you did the taillights, man. Those wheels complement that car so much. Wow. Now, if you want to look at the regular release of it, it is not this cool. Right there, it is the Target Red Edition 68 Shelby. But this one, 10 times better. Holy crap, those wheels look good. Man. Dude. Between, I don't know which one's my favorite. I mean, they're all freaking sweet. All right, here we go. Let's see what is in the next one. Gary, man, thank you so much. Oh, dude. Oh, that is sick. Oh, that is sick. Hold on, we got some foam on there. Maybe it's to protect it from something. Oh my gosh, a black chrome coupe. Oh, dude. I don't even think I have this one in the collection. Yeah, these are the only ones I have. They're all fastbacks. I do have one coupe. Yeah, one coupe so far, and we have one. I feel like I have one over here somewhere. Oh, right there. The green coupe. But this one, oh man. That is sweet, dude. Oh my gosh. I am digging that. Wow, dude. Thank you so much. Jeez. Don't have one of those in the collection. All right, we got two more. And oh my gosh, man. Just sending these 5 cars, or just looking at these 5 right here, are just freaking awesome. Trying to find the way to unroll this thing. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Is this a full custom? Because I have never seen this color. Yep, this is a full custom right there. Look at that white top. Dude, I'm digging this. This is like petty blue. Wow, this is cool, man. Very freaking unique. Oh, I am digging the crap out of this one. Look at that, I even did the wipers. Everybody forgets the wipers. Wow, that is a beauty. Oh my gosh. All right, last one. Gary, dude, come on, man. Here we go, last one. Let's see what we're gonna finish this up with. I'm sure this thing's gonna be gorgeous. Here we go. Oh, heck yes. Oh, that is wicked, man. Look at those white 6 spokes popping on that purple. Oh, that is gorgeous. Oh man, I'm loving that. Do I even have this one? What does this come out of? I didn't know there was a purple one. We all know the black one. Where's that black one at? Oh, I guess it's right here if we want to talk carded. We're all used to this one. I'm used to that one. I did not know there was a purple one. Dude. Oh man, what a way to finish this one. I'm loving those wheels. Look at that. 2 Mach 1s right here. We're going to keep these so we can display those up here. But thank you so much for sending them in these. These are like the best go-tos if you want to display loose cars. And you can also hang them vertically like this. I usually hang some of them like that Gasser and that Boss 302, or is that a Mach 1? I think it's a Mach 1. But hanging them like that, we have some hanging up over there just like that. And I love it, man. Thank you so much for these customs. Talk about another episode full of Mustangs. I think my count is, hold on, let's tally this up real quick. All right, so it's 2,594 Mustangs in the collection. Gosh, that's ridiculous. And that's including this one too. So, dude, thank you so much. We are almost at, I mean, maybe I'll hit 3,000 soon. 3,000 Mustangs just alone. Not even including whatever's in these jammers, 7 totes, these drawers. Yeah. There's a lot going on, but I'm glad I'm focusing strictly on Mustangs with buying some other ones here and there. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Comment down below your thoughts and which one of these was your favorite. I gotta say, oh man, which one's my favorite? It's a tough one. I'm definitely digging the baby blue Mach 1. Oh man, which one would be second? The GT500, that one's pretty sweet. But I gotta say, they are all just freaking awesome. So that is all we have for this one. Hopefully you stuck around this long and hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you can stay tuned for all of our future episodes. And of course, until next time, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.